Hey, Henry.
You wanna roll over?
Say hi. Alright. Doesn't he need to be reaching for his ball or something?
No, he didn't. He just did it.
Oh. What are you up to, Henry? You thinking about doing something there?
I went the other way last time. But either way's a good way. Try to get on that other side. What you doing? Hey, buddy. Push up. You can do it. You need a pasty? You need a pasty? Sorry. Oh, sleepy boy. Did you give up?
Maybe shake the passy away. Maybe he needs to get pissed.
You did it this way.
Gotta Hulk out. Do it. Do it.
Roll over, big guy. What if I put it over here? Over here. Right here. Penny. Come get it. Oh, you're okay. Roll over. Alright, I think I might have to give up this time. We'll get him.
Alright. Whoa.
Mini meltdown.
Wait a minute, is he doing it?
He looks close.
What about the ball? Put the ball like just out of his reach.
Well, the thing about that is he reaches with that hand and he's got to tuck it to roll over. It's over here. He's trying to inch his way over there. I'm gonna get it. There you go.